In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp status not showing in iPhone. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. All you have to do is first open up WhatsApp and go to your settings at the bottom right corner. Here, you have to click on help. Just hit contact us and you just have to type in your issue, which is to fix the WhatsApp status not showing in iPhone. And after that, just hit next and just hit the bottom where it says send my question in WhatsApp support. It will then direct you to the WhatsApp chat support and you just have to wait for their answer. And here is their answer and you just have to read all through that. After that, just go to settings, go to general, go to background app refresh, scroll down until you find WhatsApp and make sure that is enabled. Check if it's working now. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!